Today we are playing I Am a Cat. This is level 1. Bro, okay. Let's see what I should do. Okay. This is just so annoying. Look at this. I need water. Okay. What happens if I go?
You can't even open the door.
Come on, man. Okay. I am not coming on top of you. Okay. No. Add.
You died?
Add.
Oh, it's an ad.
Okay, so okay, just go a little bit further. Okay, now again.
Come on, we just need to
jump.
escape that house. You see that? The window.
Oh my god, that is literally the.
Come on.
There need to be some way to get on top of there.
Oh, this thing.
Bro, how do we? Okay, whatever it is, I'm gonna try. Okay, this is definitely not reachable. I'll try.
Comment down below if you can beat this level. If you do a like, you'll get 200 million Robux. Actually, not 200 million. I'm not that rich. You will only get like 5,000 or 10. Oh, I like this game.
Add.
He's going into the vents. Alright, time to turn the water on. Oh my goodness, he was really gonna flood the entire house. Oh, he's still in the vents.
Actually,
Okay, we should just do this.
yeah, this is actually also a good game. Nothing actually just happened. Yeah, nobody saw that we downloaded something. Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Okay, Just a normal cat doing nothing over here.
Under जाओगे? Bro, will you go down? Yeah, let's try.
Oh my god,
Oh, upstairs. I just forgot.
Granny's not gonna find us up here.
Oh, window.
Okay.
This is the perfect opportunity to escape. Come on.
Oh my god, what is this? Are you kidding
We
me?
just need more parkour.
We saw something, right?
Oh, there's another window, right?
Oh my god, that is
Yeah, that's the perfect window. We need a lot of Bro, why is it itchy? What the?
No.
That doggy. No, it is eye. Come on. Do the cross. Yeah. Come on, we just need to do this.
And then we can finally get away from
What?
the What? No. Oh my god.
We gotta escape from another window
We should get this, I guess.
to beat the. What? Yes, sir.
No. What the hell? What the hell, bro? Okay. For 0. Holy shit. Okay, bro. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Keep
7,
keep
6,
training.
5,
I'm ready.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Yes. We got it. What do we have? Take it, take it. She's so dead. Now kill her, kill her.
Okay.
Bruh.
Gotta go fast.
Come on, go upstairs.
Three rounds.
She's coming with a bang.
He's not gonna come up. She doesn't even know where he.
She's coming.
Yes,
Come on, we
fine.
have to skip this time.
No, not this. Granny is not coming at least.
No, she's not.
Good.
Add.
Add.
How many ads are there? Bro, we're playing this. Okay. Yes.
Let's
How do we escape this place?
let's see how it's like. Let's see how it's like to go inside. We
What?
can't. Oh good. Guess what? Okay, what about this?
Door.
She's not gonna notice, right?
I know. Maybe it would hurt to get click if you weren't yelling at me all the time. Oh, tell me, come on. Look, I thought he was safe.
No.
He was there one
No,
night
Granny.
when he was gone.
Oh my god. Oh, no, bro. She is not gonna follow me.
Go in the stairs. Quick.
By the way, the door keeps talking about it open.
Told you she was too weak. Where is she, by the way? Where is she, bro?
Bro,
Add.
What's this ad? Bro. No, don't. No.
Bro. Okay, right now.
I hate ads.
Okay, and that was an awesome adventure. If you want to join in the next, click right here. Bye.